Imagine being able to work from anywhere in the world, earn a steady income from multiple sources, and live life on your own terms. It might sound like a dream, but today I'll show you exactly how to make this a reality, even if you're starting with nothing. We're diving deep into building 6 online income streams from scratch. That's right, 6 different ways to put money in your pocket, all while working from wherever you want, whenever you want. I'm talking about realistic, actionable tips that can help you achieve financial freedom, break free from that soul-crushing 9-to-5, and finally have the freedom to travel the world. Whether you're completely new to this whole online business thing, or you've already dipped your toes in the water, this video is your step-by-step blueprint to building a rock-solid financial future. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, building multiple income streams takes work. It's not something that happens overnight, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to be prepared to put in the time and effort. It takes dedication, resilience, and a whole lot of hustle. Just like training for a marathon or climbing a mountain, you need to be in it for the long haul. There will be obstacles and setbacks, but each challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more determined. But let me tell you, the rewards are more than worth it. Imagine the feeling of cashing in that first check from a new income stream, or the satisfaction of seeing your financial goals come to fruition. It's a sense of accomplishment that goes beyond just the monetary gains. First things first, you need to get your mind right. This means cultivating a positive mindset and believing in your ability to achieve financial freedom. It's about visualizing your success and staying focused on your goals, even when the going gets tough. You need to believe that financial freedom is possible for you, even if you're starting from zero. Your mindset is the foundation upon which you'll build your financial future. Without the right mindset, even the best strategies and plans will fall short. Remember, I started with nothing but a burning desire to succeed, and look at me now. My journey wasn't easy, but it was worth every bit of effort. If I can do it, so can you. Your past doesn't define your future, your actions do. Next up, set yourself some goals. Clear, actionable goals give you direction and purpose. They act as milestones on your journey to financial freedom, helping you stay on track and measure your progress. Start with small, achievable goals that you can knock out in the short term, like saving a certain amount each month or paying off a small debt. These small wins build momentum and confidence, and then gradually work your way up to those big, hairy, audacious goals. These are the goals that might seem out of reach now, but with consistent effort and determination, you'll get there. Having a roadmap will keep you motivated and on track. It's like having a GPS for your financial journey, guiding you through the twists and turns, and helping you avoid detours. Now let's talk about why we're building 6 income streams, not just 1 or 2. Diversification is key to financial stability and growth. By spreading your income sources, you reduce the risk of financial setbacks. It's all about diversification, people. Think of it as a safety net that catches you if one income stream fails. Diversification ensures that you're not overly reliant on any single source of income. Just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you don't want to rely on a single source of income. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes potential returns. Having multiple streams of income creates a safety net. It provides a buffer against economic downturns, job loss, or unexpected expenses. This financial cushion gives you peace of mind and stability. If one stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. This redundancy ensures that you're never left without options, and it allows you to weather financial storms with confidence. Plus, it allows you to scale your earnings exponentially. With multiple income streams, your earning potential is not capped by a single salary or business. Each additional stream adds to your overall financial growth. Instead of relying on a single paycheck, you're building a diversified portfolio of income-generating assets. This approach not only increases your income, but also enhances your financial resilience. Trust me, when you've got money coming in from multiple sources, it's a game changer. It opens up new opportunities and gives you the freedom to pursue your passions and interests without financial constraints. It gives you the financial security and peace of mind that most people only dream of. Financial freedom is not just about having money, it's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. Freelancing is the ultimate side hustle, offering unparalleled flexibility and freedom. It's how I got my start, and it can be your gateway to a new lifestyle. The beauty of freelancing is that you can leverage your existing skills to start earning money online right now. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you set your own hours. Think about it. What are you good at? What passions drive you? What do people always ask you for help with? Whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or even virtual assistants, there's a high demand for skilled freelancers in almost every industry. The market is vast and varied, and there's always someone looking for the expertise you can offer. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are great places to find your first clients. These platforms connect you with potential clients from all over the world. Create a killer profile that highlights your skills and experience, even if you're just starting out. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference in attracting clients. Don't be afraid to start with lower rates to attract those first few clients and build up your portfolio. It's a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates and start attracting higher-paying clients. Your reputation will grow, and so will your income. You can even transition into building your own agency and managing a team of freelancers. The possibilities are endless. Imagine leading a team, taking on larger projects, and scaling your business to new heights. The freedom to work from anywhere means you can travel the world while earning a living. Freelancing truly is your ticket to freedom. Plus, the freelancing community is vibrant and supportive. Attend conferences, join online forums, and network with other freelancers to continue growing and learning. Achieve the work-life balance you've always dreamed of. Spend more time with family, pursue hobbies, and live life on your own terms. Reflect on your journey and plan for the future. The sky's the limit when you take control of your career through freelancing. Affiliate marketing is like having your own army of salespeople working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. It's all about partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services to your audience. Here's how it works. You find a product you love and believe in, you sign up for their affiliate program, and they give you a unique link to share. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You can start affiliate marketing on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or even your own blog. The key is to create valuable content that resonates with your target audience and naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Remember, honesty is key in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your best friend. Your audience can spot a phony a mile away, so keep it real, provide value, and watch the commissions roll in. Have you ever wished you could bottle up your knowledge and sell it? Well, guess what? You can. Digital products are the ultimate way to leverage your expertise and create a passive income stream that keeps on giving. Think about it. You create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort. That's the beauty of digital products. Ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, the possibilities are endless. Choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, create a high-quality product that solves a specific problem for your audience, and start selling it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. To build trust and credibility, consider offering a free lead magnet or a mini course to give people a taste of your expertise. Once they see the value you provide, they'll be more likely to invest in your premium products. Ever dreamed of starting your own clothing line or selling your own merchandise? Imagine having your unique designs worn by people all over the world without the hassle of managing stock or dealing with shipping logistics. With print on demand, you can do just that without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or any of the headaches that come with traditional retail. This business model allows you to focus solely on your creativity and marketing, leaving the rest to the experts. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to upload your designs onto a wide range of products, from t-shirts and hoodies to a variety of other items. These platforms provide easy-to-use tools to help you visualize your designs on different products. You can expand your offerings to include mugs, phone cases, and even wall art. The possibilities are endless, and you can continuously add new products to keep your store fresh and exciting. When someone places an order, these platforms handle everything from printing to shipping. This means you don't have to worry about the logistics of getting your products to your customers. And the best part? You earn a profit on each sale. The more you sell, the more you earn, making it a scalable business model. The key to success with print on demand is to tap into niche markets and create unique designs that resonate with a specific audience. Think about passionate communities, hobbies, interests, or even inside jokes. The more specific and targeted your designs, the more likely they are to attract a dedicated customer base. Imagine creating a t-shirt that becomes a hit at community events or a mug that people love to gift to their friends. The potential is limitless. Promote your products on social media, run targeted ads, and engage with your audience. Social media platforms are powerful tools for reaching potential customers and building a loyal following. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to get the word out. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and add credibility to your brand. With a little creativity and hustle, you can turn your design skills into a profitable online business. The journey may require effort and persistence, but the rewards of seeing your designs come to life and being appreciated by others are truly fulfilling. Building a successful YouTube channel or blog takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Not only can you earn a significant income from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, but you also have the opportunity to build a loyal community around your content. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Be consistent with your posting schedule, engage with your followers, and don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. With YouTube, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise. With blogging, you can earn money through display ads, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel or blog is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and focus on providing value to your audience, and you'll eventually reap the rewards. There you have it. 6 proven income streams that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember, you don't have to do them all at once. Start with one that resonates with you and gradually build from there. The most important thing is to take action. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. So what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more financial freedom tips, and let me know in the comments which income stream you're most excited to start with. And don't forget to download my free guide to building multiple income streams, linked in the description below. Now go out there and make it happen.